probably the single most often asked question we get is, what am I entitled to? What's just compensation? The Constitution says I'm entitled to just compensation, but what does that mean? Well, just compensation includes a number of elements. For example, you're entitled to the value of the property taken. If it's a part take, you might be entitled to severance damages, which is the damage to the property that you're left with. You might be entitled to the value of certain fixtures and equipment on the property. Business owners might be entitled to claim loss of business goodwill. Occupants of the property might be entitled to claim relocation benefits. Each of these various categories of compensation has its own rules and laws that apply to it. And each of these categories of compensation has its own subcategories of compensation, so it gets a little bit complicated. Because of that, it's important when you're dealing with an eminent domain situation to deal with experienced attorneys and appraisers who have experience in eminent domain cases. Probably one of the worst things you can do is go to the yellow pages and just hire an appraiser out of there or an attorney out of there. If they don't know eminent domain, it's going to be a problem. In a worst case scenario, you may get your appraisal and evidence excluded altogether and just have to take what the government offers you. I've seen it happen before.